Howdy everybody, this is the EDC Cooperative, coming live to you in a sweltering Friday afternoon. A quick dump from one's pockets, I think, is in call for today. So, we start with the coin, and this is the cooperative version. Yes, it is. Always nice to have a coin. We have a wallet, and this is the Knox base wallet, and it's getting on a bit, but it's still a beautiful, beautiful thing, and never know, might look to upgrade at some point, but definitely not yet. My little writing instrument is the lovely little mini MiG from Shane Marks, and obviously look at the little Cooperative. Beautiful clip on there with a titanium tip and a rumble-tumbled sort of a copper finish there. Beautiful. I can't see. My eyes. Cleared my eyes. There you go. So I've also got a paperweight. I'm sure that's what they're called. From Lucas Burnley. Very nice. And I'm carrying the hitch and timber case today, and in there we have the little little copper beauty here. Oh, it blinded me, I tell you. Next, in this little beautiful case, what have we got? Oh, that's right, it's a lovely little artwood there. Very nice indeed. Oh, yes, I do like that. And also, rather new to me, brand spanky, beautiful Morris knife from the legend himself. That's Michael Morris. Do check him out because he makes some beautiful things. They're just beautiful. Oh. And this is a stunning little friction folder in a I would say it's a green, but it always seems to look a bit brown. Micarta scale, lovely square sail, beautifully smooth. And that is everything that is in one's pockets today. Pip, and have a great weekend, everybody. Toodles, Pim's o'clock.